In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted videos on TikTok. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have accidentally deleted some of your TikTok videos and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open TikTok application and click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens. Go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and click on this report a problem option. Tap on account and profile. Click on the last option profile page and scroll down and then tap on other. Once again scroll down and click on this need more help option. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. Basically you have to request Team TikTok to recover your deleted videos. Once you have done that, tap on the submit option, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your deleted videos on TikTok will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.